What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're not gonna be able to go to the racetrack. Let me show you what it's doing outside, guys. This is a pretty rare occurrence here in South Carolina, or at least in our part of South Carolina. Dude, I don't know if you can see it, it's snowing. Anyways, so as you can imagine, no racetrack this Sunday, so I just wanted to go over a few projects we got going on. As you can see in the background here, we got a Can-Am Turbo RR. Check this, hold on a second. You gotta see this, you gotta see this. What? We got a bigger turbo kit. This thing is sick, guys. Packard Performance Turbo Kit. We're in here, BJ's getting this thing tuned in. It's got the Power Commander Vision 3. We're getting that stuff figured out, getting the ECU flashed in this. We've just changed out the chain on the ZX14. We got this thing where it rolls a lot better. And look what else I just got. Oh, I gotta show you that. This is going on the ZX14. We're just doing a little maintenance on the 14, changing the oil, changing the clutch springs out. I'm still playing with that setup. We got progress on the Nitrous Pro Street Hayabusa. We got the carbon fiber wheels on it. We got the throttle bodies mounted, and BJ has built the nitrous kit. So there is a lot going on with this nitrous kit, multiple stages of nitrous, 2 nitrous bottles. We got, what other projects do we got going on? We got more updates on Big Country's Pro Street. We're gonna go over some of that. But like I said, I just wanted to show you a little bit about what we got going. And in a minute, we're gonna have this Can-Am running. All right, guys, stay with us. So I just opened up my surprise box from Brock's Performance. Ooh, look what we got. The Pentacarbon. So the Pentacarbon, my Pentacarbon muffler has finally arrived. This is a direct swap for a Brock's Alien Head 2 exhaust system. So if you have an Alien Head now and you want the Pentacarbon, it's no big deal to upgrade. Of course, we're still about March as far as arrival for these mufflers. So they're not quite out yet for everyone. But like I said, Brock's has sent me this prototype to put on and show you guys. And then we're gonna be firing this thing up and letting you see how it sounds. Dude, we gotta get it on, let's go. All right, guys, so I got the Pentacarbon exhaust on. It only took about less than 5 minutes to put it on. So this is definitely an easy upgrade. If you're not a mechanic, you can order this yourself and still be able to put it on. The look of this thing looks great, and it definitely sounds better than the Alien Head 2. We'll fire it up and let you hear it run right quick. That whole time. Those worldwide wheel bearings, definitely worth every penny, guys. If you don't have those, you need to pick those up. I'm gonna have the links for this Brock's Performance exhaust in the description below. They are not available yet, but like I said, in about the next month, guys, you'll be able to get these and replace your Alien Head. You can buy just the muffler, like I said, and of course they come in black, and then you can get multiple colored, like a candied carbon tip if you like. So you can get red carbon, blue carbon, green carbon, whatever logo or whatever color logo plate you want, you can add that on. And then they also make this exhaust in polished stainless steel too. So if you like the chrome look, they have that as well. All right, guys, one more project before we go off on today's video. We got the Grudge 1000. This is my Grudge bike that I'm gonna be riding this year. We got it running. I wanted you to hear this thing fire off. It sounds pretty nasty. Anyways, sounds a little different from this one. You tell me if you notice any difference in the tone of the motor. This is a big motor. That's a big little motor. All right, let's see what she sounds like. Alright guys, that's just a little sample of that one. We still got to get it, of course, the tune dialed in and all that stuff. We're just kind of breaking in the engine with heat cycles and stuff right now. Also, before we go, be sure to check out, I was on a podcast this past week. So this was my first ever podcast. It's called Two Wheel Talk. I'm going to have a link in the description below for how you could check that out. Be sure to support Josh's podcast. It's something new that he's starting out. If you guys are truck drivers or on the road or traveling or whatever, check out his podcast. It's super cool to listen to. All it talks about is motorcycle drag racing. And as always, that's going to do it for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We do appreciate the support. All right, guys, see ya.